moonlighting land you in jail, or can it cost you your job? Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Lightly Noor. Thank you so much for the overwhelming response on my last video which I have made on moonlighting. So after that video I got a lot of questions from people asking that what is the Indian government law on moonlighting. Hold on. If you have not watched my last video on moonlighting, I have put the link on this I button. Please do check it out. It is super informative. You will not find any video on YouTube which has such details and clarity. So coming back to this video, we shall discuss the Indian government law on moonlighting. Can moonlighting land you in jail, or can it cost you your job? And the last part we will discuss that what is the future of moonlighting in India. So stay tuned on this video and do not skip any part of the video. But before we get into it, please subscribe to my channel. Click on that red subscribe button. Alright, let's move on. So what is the Indian government law on moonlighting? There is no particular law which governs moonlighting. However, Section 60 of the Factories Act 1948 prohibits the double employment of adult workers in factories. Section 65 of the Bombay Shops and Establishment Act 1948 also prohibits double employment, that neither the employee will work nor any employer will permit the employee to work in any establishment when the employee is on leave or a given holiday. There are various other state government laws which prohibits dual employment, but none of it explicitly talk about moonlighting. So the question that can moonlighting land you in a jail? The answer is no. Moonlighting cannot land you in a jail. Can moonlighting cost you your job? Yes. The employer can terminate you basis the charges of moonlighting. If you take any action against your employer, it is most likely the law will favor your employer. So be careful if you are thinking about moonlighting. This brings me to the next section of the video, that why moonlighting is emerging now more than ever. So the answer is moonlighting existed since ever. Startups have been formed because the founders were moonlighting their company. For example, Flipkart, Freshworks. The biggest and the most common example of moonlight are the private tutors. Teachers moonlight the school by giving private tuitions after the school hours. Doesn't this exist since ever? However, COVID has played a very major role in increasing this practice of moonlighting. COVID has given two very significant change. First of all, since the employers are working from home, they are able to save the time of commute. Second, it gives them a flexibility to juggle between their full time and the side hustle. Hence, we are seeing the emergence of moonlight more than ever. So moonlight is going to stay. The sooner we accept this fact, the better it would be for all of us. This brings me to the most interesting section of the video, that what is the future of moonlight, or rather what is the future of freelancing. So gig economy contributes to 1/3 of the world's working population. The global freelance market was valued to be 2.35 million in 2018. The market size has grown at 15% and is expected to be valued as 19.19 million by 2027. There are about 15 million freelancers in India. India is the second fastest growing freelancing market globally. In India, there was a rise of 46% freelancers in just one quarter, from Q1 2020 to Q2 2020. This was the same time when COVID has hit the world. There are many IT leaders, many IT companies who have strongly voiced in the favor of moonlight, that sooner the company brings up a policy of transparent moonlight, the better it would be for the employers and the employee. The control of employment has now shifted more towards the employee, because now the employee are more concerned about the profile and the skills, and just the tag of the company does not matter. Hope this video was informative. Please do let me know your thoughts on moonlight, and if you have watched the video until here, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching me.